Okay, very good. So, um, very good morning to all of you. Today I will take your English text class, you can see, and the chapter I will do today, that is, I have already started the tiger and the mosquito, and the reading and the spelling part I have completed, and today I will do the exercise part. Okay. So, all of you open page number 93 of your textbook, page number 93. Open page number 93 of your textbook, and you can see the reading is fun part over there. There you can see 3 questions. Let's solve the 3 questions now. Okay. Number 1. On the reading is fun part. What was the tiger doing? What was the tiger doing when the mosquito came buzzing by? When the Yeah. So, good Devayan, very good. We will write the answer like, this is also correct. When the mosquito came in, this is also correct. I am writing that the tiger was dozing under a tree. The tiger was dozing under a tree when the mosquito came buzzing by. When the mosquito came buzzing by. Number 2. The tiger was dozing under a tree, yes, when the mosquito came buzzing by. Number 2. Why did the tiger's cheek start to bleed? Why did the tiger's cheek start to bleed? We can write it like, the tiger hit his cheek with his own paw. The tiger hit his cheek with his own paw, so it started bleeding. So it started bleeding. Yes, very good. So, number 2, why did the tiger's cheek start to bleed? The tiger hit his cheek with his own paw, so it started bleeding. Okay? Yes, very good. Started to bleed. Yes, you can also write it like that also. Number 1, what was the tiger doing when the mosquito came buzzing by? The tiger was dozing under a tree when the mosquito came buzzing by. Number 2, why did the tiger's cheek start to bleed? The tiger hit his cheek with his own paw, so it started bleeding. Okay? And now, will I erase the number 1 part? Number 1 question, because I need to write the number 3. Will I erase number 1? I will write the number 3. Okay, and the other ones let me know. I will erase number 1. Okay, I am erasing number 1 and I will now write the third one. Number 3, saying that why did the tiger walk away? Why did the tiger walk away? Why did the tiger walk away? So, we know that the tiger walked away because he was helpless. The tiger walked away because he was helpless. The tiger walked away because he was helpless. Okay? Okay. So, from the reading is fun part, I have completed the 3 questions. Now, see the let's talk part. You can see over there one question that why did the mosquito say, I am not afraid of you? This answer you can write it on your own, like I am just discussing the question that why did the mosquito say I am not afraid of you, because he doesn't care about the size, like the tiger is great in his own way, because the mosquito thinks that everyone is great in his own way, the tiger is great in his own way and the mosquito is great in his own way. It doesn't matter the mosquito is small in size and the tiger is big in size, that doesn't matter, everyone has its own capability. So, in that way we can say that the tiger said, I am not afraid of you, isn't it? You can write the answer like this or on your own, I have just discussed it. And then you can see the say aloud part. You can see a yellow colored box and some words over there. You are told to say aloud. I am just saying these. All of you try to pronounce it with me. Bank, bin, biscuit, bun, goose, gown, grey, gun, fan, few, field, fish, lamp, lick, lip, lose. Okay. Yes, Devavan, yes, wanted to say that everyone is great in his way. The mosquito was in his way, he was also great one. You can write it that also. Now, let's come to the let's share part. Let's share part, the number 1 question I will write, that is what do we learn from this story. So, will I erase the this number 2 question so that I can write the let's share part number 1. Will I erase this number 2? All of you have done? Completed? Okay. So, I am erasing this 2, question number 2 here only. Okay, so I am erasing it. Now, I will let's share part, first question. What do we learn from this story? What do we learn from this story? that we can write, yes, we learn from this story that we learn from this story that everyone is great in his own way. Everyone is great in his own way. This is what we come to know from this story, isn't it? Yes, Devayan, you have written a good. We learned, it will not be learned because it will be learned. Why? Because the question is in present form. Why? What do? It has said what do we learn from this story. So, we can write it like, we learn from this story that everyone is great in his own way. Okay? Okay. Now the second question, describe the lion and the tiger. How are they different from each other? You know how the, you can see also in the picture that how a lion and the tiger looks like. You will just find some differentiation and write it down on your own. Okay. And you can write it that the tiger has black strips, but the lions have no black strips on their body. You can write such differentiation on your own. Okay, I am not writing this. I have just written number 1. What do we learn from this story? That we learn from this story that everyone is great in his own way. Okay. Now come to page number 94. Page number 94, you can see fill in the blanks over there. I will now do that. And in page number 95, you will do at your home, because there you can see some dotted letters. You need to join the dots and write the letters. Okay. So, you need to join the dots and write the letters. Page number 95 you can do at your home. Now, I will do page number 94. Page number 94 is also easy. You can do that in your book. Okay. So, will I erase all the things, because I will write the fill in the blanks. Will I erase all of these? Let me know. All of these will I erase? I will write the fill in the blanks. Okay, so I am erasing it. Now I will write, turn to page number 94. You can see in the fill in the blanks there are some dotted words. Let's do this. Number 1, a dash was dozing under a tree. A tiger was dozing under a tree. Number 2, a dash came buzzing by. A mosquito came buzzing by. Number 3, the tiger hit out with his. Yes, you have completed, Zareen, very good. Debayan, Kaustubh, good, very good. Yes, Rishabh, Zareen, Kaustubh, paw. The tiger hit out with his paw. Very good. Number 4, Jihad, you have also completed. All of you write it down in your book. Okay. The mosquito buzzed away. Yes, Rishabh, Debayan, very good. Away. And number 5, everyone is dash in his own way. Everyone is great. Yes, very good. Debayan, Kaustubh, Ayush. Okay. Zareen, very good. Great. Everyone is great in his own way. Okay. And page number 95 we will do at your home. And we have just completed this chapter. Yes, we have completed this chapter. Now I will take your present. All of you write P or present in the chat box. No one will leave or you will be absent until I finish the class, okay? All of you just write P or present. No one will leave in this way. Okay. I have taken all of your present, okay? Yes, I have taken all of your present. Yes dear, I have taken all of your present, okay? And the chapter is completed also. The chapter is completed also, and today the time is up. So practice this chapter very well and also do page number 95 at your home, okay? So the chapter is completed. Today is up to this. All of you have a nice day. Bye. Bye all of you. Bye.